Hey guys, Matt Collum here. Just want to take a minute to show a product that I just recently got. It's these survival cards, wallet size cards. Each one of them has different survival tools built into them. It's all metal, 304 stainless steel, corrosion resistant. Pretty neat. They come in individual little bags. This one here has like a knife, arrowhead, some hooks. It's got needles with the eye, saw up here at the top. So that's on the first card. You can just pop those out as you need them. This one's got a couple of different little arrows and pitchforks. It's got some double hooks. It's also got a couple of different other saws that are on there. You got a hacksaw on one side and a bigger saw there. A couple of different larger hooks and needles and things there on that one. And of course this one's got some more saws, fish hooks on this side, different blades, some arrowheads, smaller hooks down here. All of them have the eyelet. This one actually has a fork, more hooks, some arrowheads, some little plates so you can attach things, needles, different ones. So these are all about a little larger than a credit card size. I mean, you could definitely probably keep some of these in your wallet, but I was thinking more like for a survival kit. These would be a nice little addition to any survival kit, especially if you're doing like camping, hiking, anything like that. They weigh, almost nothing. I mean, they're pretty lightweight. You can punch these out. I mean, it gives you an easy way to store like hooks, saws, anything like that. It's pretty easy to store them because they're all together and you can just pop them out as you need them. So those could go in a backpack, even in a fishing tackle box, or as you're hiking, you put those into a backpack or carry bag. Put them into any kind of survival kit. They're really lightweight. A lot of different uses for hunting, fishing, camping, hiking. Be a nice gift for somebody that likes the outdoors. But these are pretty neat. I found these on Amazon, and it comes in a set of 4 for about less than $9. You get a set of 4 of these little survival cards. I'll drop a link down in the description if you're interested in it. You can click the link below and it'll take you right to it and you can order it. But these are pretty neat. Like I said, I liked them. Thought it was a nice little addition to any survival kit. All metal, real heavy duty. But there's a ton of different stuff on here. Like I say, every time I look at them, it seems like I find something new. But like I said, a lot of different little fish hooks. Saws, different ones, forks, pitchforks, arrowheads, needles, a lot of different uses. I mean, I can see a ton of different stuff that you could do with them, especially in survival and outdoor situations. But I think this is a nice little set. I just wanted to share it with you guys so you can see what you think. If anybody has these, let me know what you think. But like I said, I'll put the link down in the description, so if you'd like to take a look, just click that link. It'll take you right to it. You can get you a set of these today. So appreciate you guys taking a look. Have a good one.